for Elizabeth. She is a young girl, they say she's quite pretty. She had some problems, but she's working them out. She is free, her life's an open door. So many new exits down life's corridor. She had a wisdom beyond her young years. Sometime that wisdom causes a tear, but time is a healer and exposes all lies. I see some sunshine behind her dark eye. Go on and shine, this is your time. Shine, you'll be fine. Shine, little sunshine. You'll always be someone special to me, so shine. Never been to Hawaii, I'd sure like to go. People are cool, the living is slow. Ukuleles and luau's waving palm trees, poi and pineapple on a tropical breeze. The water's so blue down in Waikiki, at least it's that way in the pictures I see. They say they don't like howlers, I pray they like me. Never been to Hawaii, I'd sure like to go. Black sand beaches, live volcanoes, hula dancers knock me down to my knees. I rig a canoe on a blue azure sea. The weather's the same almost all of the time. A little rain and lots of sunshine. Koa wood surfboards, smoking the kind. Never been to Hawaii, I sure like to go. Check out your famous Pakalolo. Tropical flowers grow there with ease. We can make lays with them if you please. Watching the sunset at the end of the day, almost as good as collecting your pay. Only there a while, you wanna stay. Never been to Hawaii, I sure like to go. Guess I better start saving up my dough. Take enough money to stay there some time. Kick back on a hammock, relax and unwind. I could go fishing for some ma'i, or go diving for some pearls in the sea. Say they don't like howlers, well I pray they like me. That one's for Larvis. Okay, let's see what else we got. Oh, okay. I got another one for you. Now your dream is gone, it's time to move on. Set yourself a goal, try to save your soul, it's getting late. You know, life took you down a dusty road. Hurry up, pick up your load. You're nothing special now. You never were somehow, but you never knew it. Oh no. And you while away the hours, waiting for the end. And you look back on your life now, and all that dirty sin, yeah. So many things left undone, so many souls left unwon. God sent His only Son, and you said screw Him. You never knew Him. Now your time has come. Now your days are gone. You're singing your swan song. You wanna linger on, but you can't do it. Oh no. Cause it's time to pay the piper. Your final curtain call. And you're wearing adult diapers, power walking through the mall. And then the end comes. Just a lifting, lilting little ditty to give you a little ponderance. Yeah. All right, here we go. Well, your mother smokes crack and your sister's a whore. Daddy left town, ain't coming back anymore. No, no, no! No, no, no. Well, your sister's a hooker, and she lives with a man who beats her and cheats her while she pays her rent on her own. Oh yeah, man. Well, your brother's a faggot, and you know he's got AIDS. But if you got $20, you can get laid with that man. Oh, yes, you can. Down the street there's a pervert, and they say he likes kids. If you read the paper, you know what he did to that child. Man, that was wild. Well, the judges are corrupt, and the lawyers and cops. And if you got money, you can get off of that charge. pay the sarge. Racial strife is propagated by the social elite, who work us like robots while we sit at their feet. Who's in charge? Who's living large? Natural things are replaced by synthetic fare. Our world's quickly dying, but who really cares? Buy more shares! Climb those stairs. Well, the masses deny the prophets who say it's the end. You can do what you want. You can deny and pretend it's still coming along. So's this song. Smoking kind bud, day after day. Smoking that kind bud, then I go to pray. And I thank God for the weed I've got. Though I might not have a lot, I'll stay. Oh, try that one again. Smoking kind bud, day after day. Smoking that kind bud, then I go to pray. And I thank God for the weed I've got. Though I might not have a lot, I'll stay. Smoking kind bud, trying to keep from sinning, living in this wicked world in which I don't belong. Smoking kind bud, it's hard to keep from grinning. You know that kind bud buzz sure is strong. Skunk bud, northern lights, these are some of my delight. Kush and the purple haze leave me in a kind bud daze. Durban poison, Malawi gold, these are legends which I've been told. Earth pipe from the motherland, built in clay and not in sand. I'll stay smoking kind bud and praising Jesus every day. Praise the Lord. Oh, what else we got? Oh, here we go. Little porch swinging. Raining, I ain't complaining. I got no work today, nothing to do. So I think I'll smoke a few dubs and maybe just watch the tube. How about you? Smoking, toking, and now I'm feeling right. I might just bust out my pipe and stuff it full of northern lights. That's right. Dreaming, I keep on dreaming, dreaming while I take a hit. Man, that's some mighty good shit. I can barely even keep it lit. Want some in? Raining, it just quit raining. And now my stash is gone. I better get my search on and get back before dawn and finish this song. What else we got?